Ever wondered how to make almond flour tortillas at home? Well, the answer is right here. And it's simpler than you might think. With only 5 ingredients and less than 30 minutes, you can whip up delicious homemade tortillas that are not only gluten-free but also high in protein and fiber. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and let's dive in. The first thing you need is blanched, finely ground almond flour. This is the star ingredient of the recipe, providing the tortillas with a nutty flavor and an ideal texture. Next, we need psyllium husk powder. Don't worry if you can't find it in your local store. A great substitute is ground flax seeds. This ingredient helps bind the tortillas together, giving them their characteristic flexibility. Into these dry ingredients, we're going to add a bit of baking powder for a slight lift, and a pinch of salt for flavor. Now, it's time to add the liquid, warm water. The trick is to add it gradually while stirring to avoid any lumps. Once we have a dough that's not too sticky but holds together well, we're ready to roll. Literally. Divide the dough into small balls and roll them out between 2 pieces of parchment paper. You don't need a tortilla press for this, a simple rolling pin will do the job perfectly. Now, it's time to cook these tortillas. A hot non-stick pan is all you need. Cook each tortilla for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden and crispy. And just like that, you have homemade almond flour tortillas. They're perfect for tacos, burritos, wraps, or even as a side with your favorite soup. What's more, these tortillas are incredibly easy to store. You can keep them in the fridge for a week or freeze them for up to 2 months. Just make sure to separate each tortilla with a piece of parchment paper to avoid them sticking together. So, there you have it, a simple, quick, and delicious recipe for almond flour tortillas. Just remember the key to this recipe is in the quality of the almond flour and the gradual addition of water. And don't be afraid to experiment with different pairings and recipes. After all, the best part about cooking is making it your own, so why wait? Get your ingredients ready and start making these delicious homemade almond flour tortillas today. You'll be surprised at how easy it is and how much you'll enjoy the process. Happy cooking!